Alright, so the next set of question, we're looking for where the domain is restricted. Where is the function undefined? Now notice it just says where's the function undefined, so that means I'm going to have x equals a number. I'm just going to tell where it is undefined. So all I have to do here is take the denominators and set them equal to 0. So on 3, I'm going to take 4x squared, set it equal to 0. This is obviously x has to be 0. Why do I know that? Because there's no plus or minus, you know. So when there's no plus or minus, it's always going to end up just being 0. X equals 0. Alright, I mean, I could work it out as well, guys. Watch if I just divide both sides by 4. X squared equals 0 divided by 4, which is 0. Then I got to take the square root of both sides. X equals the square root of 0, which is 0. And so look, you get the same thing even if you worked it out. So on number 4, we have to set the denominator equal to 0, so we can go 3x plus 24 equals 0. Subtract 24 from both sides, get 3x equals negative 24. Divide by 3, and x equals negative 8. So when x is negative 8, this expression is undefined. And lastly, on this section, number 5, we're looking at the one on the right over here. First, we have to factor out the denominator. So x squared minus 100, that is a difference of squares, which means it factors out to x plus 10 times x minus 10. So now I just have to set each factor equal to 0. So right here is going to give me x plus 10 equals 0. And the other factor will give me x minus 10 equals 0. And solving this will give me my two x values where x is undefined, where the expression is undefined. So I subtract 10. X is negative 10, and if I add 10 over here, x equals 10. So these are the two locations where my expression is undefined, when x is negative 10 and when x is 10.